Hi students, in this video we will discuss combining of patterns. So this is part 2 of patterns. Here we will combine the different patterns. So in the last video we have discussed only single patterns like lower triangle. So like in the last video we have discussed displaying this part, and we have discussed displaying this part. Okay, so here we are combining two different patterns of last session. So here total we will be discussing here 6 patterns. So this is the combination of pattern 2 and 3, and this is the combination of 3 and 2, this is the combination of 4 and 5, then this is combination of 5 and 4, then this is the combination of 7 and 6, then 6 and 7 of last video. Okay, now first let us focus on displaying the first pattern for today's session. First pattern, then second we will discuss all one by one. First we will go for this part. Now this pattern we need to divide. In order to get this output we need to divide this into two parts, that is upper part and lower part we can call. First this part we will try to display onto the screen. Then after displaying this upper part, then we will write separate code for lower part. Now let us see, already we discussed this in the previous video for how to display this part, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. First we will complete this and I will come back to this location. Now here, in order to display that upper part, for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. This is for number of rows. For j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 5, j plus plus. Then printf star, give one column of space. Then after coming out of the inner loop, printf move to next line. This is slash n. Now if you run this program, tell me what happens. In every row, in each row you will get 5 stars. In each row you will get 5 stars. But actually what we want, only first time 1, second time 2, 3, 4, 5 stars we want. So as we discussed in previous video, you just make a change here, j less than or equal to I. Now save your program, then compile and run the program. Now you can see the output here. First time 1 star, second time 2 stars, third time 3, fourth time 4, fifth time 5 stars displayed onto the screen. But actually what output we want? So we want the output in 1 to 5, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then next we need to write the code to display the output in this format, that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How to display this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? We need to write a separate code. So here for displaying that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start 1, this is the code for lower part. Now here for I equal to 5, I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. Then similarly for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Then printf, use here star, end with this. Then printf slash n. So here this is the code for lower part. Now save your program. Now compile and run the program. Now you can see the output for this program. Now so here it is displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But according to our logic, so this is repeated twice. So one part should be removed. Either this one or this one we should remove from our coding part. So in order to remove that, here you can use I equal to 4, or here I less than, you can start from here up to 4. any one, either upper part or lower part you can change. So I equal to 5 minus 1, or directly you can write 4 also. I equal to 4. Okay, 5 minus 1, why I am writing is, in future suppose if the number of rows, if you take n, there you can write here n minus 1 instead of, so 4 directly instead of writing n minus 1 you can write here. Now save your program, compile and run the program. Now you can see the output. So that line, so 5 stars is only repeated only once. So 1 2 3 4 5, then 4 3 2 1. This is our first program. Okay, now next I want to display this part. This part is very simple. So what we need to do here is, so the code whatever we have written for lower part, right top, and upper part code, right bottom, that's it. You will get this output. Now let us check once. Directly I will show you how to display that. So what we do here is, this lower part is shifted to upper part. Remove this part from here and place it here. Then this will become the lower part now, and remove this part. Now let us check what happens. There will be few changes. After execution I will make the changes. What I have done, just I have shifted lower part to upper and upper part to lower. Now let us see the output. Save your program, compile and run the program. Yes, we have got that output. So sorry, 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5, because we changed here to 5 minus 1. So remove this to I equal to 5. So now you run your program. Now you can see 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5. But in our program what happened, this one is repeated only once, but here it is repeated twice. So tell me what we need to do. So small change like previous part. So instead of 1, start from 2. In the lower part, just make a change that instead of 1 you can start from 2 here. Now you can see the output for this program. So 5 4 3 2 1, then 2 3 4 5, that is combining the previous two programs, right? So this is our second part. So in the next part I want to display in this format 5 4 3 2 1, the same but with spaces. So what we need to do, just add spaces here like previous part, we'll get the output. So in the same program, in order to display this third pattern, so in the same program we need to make some changes. So what we need to do here, upper part same as previous, no change. So just write the code for spaces. So for spaces here, for s equal to, how many spaces first time, 0 spaces. So s equal to I, then s less than 5, s plus plus, then use here printf 1 2. Remember here we need to use 2 columns space. Then similarly the same logic we will apply here for lower part also. For s equal to I, s less than 5, s plus plus. So in both the cases for spaces the logic is same. Then here also 2 columns of space. This we discussed in our previous video. If you are watching directly this video, I request you, so the link is shared for the previous pattern 1. Please go through that video, then watch this video, then only you will understand. Now let me run this program. Now you can see the output. What is the problem? S is not declared. Int s. Save your program, compile and run the program. Now you can see you got the output for this part. This is pattern 3 of our today's session. Now in order to display the fourth part, just reverse this. So this lower part you place it at top and upper part you place it at bottom. You will get the fourth pattern. Which pattern? Fourth pattern, this pattern. So just interchange this, you will get this output. let us interchange this part. For fourth pattern, let us interchange this part. So lower part to upper and upper part to lower, how we did for pattern 2. Then you will get this output. Now let us check. So simply what we need to do, so remove this upper part and shift this to this, you make it as lower part. Okay, let me run directly. If there are any changes, let us make the changes. One change, because we are starting from 2 stars, so you need to start from 1. There will be few changes, one more change will be there, that after execution we will make it. Now let us run the program. Now you can see the output 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. That is, this 5 is repeated twice. According to our program, this 5 should be repeated only once. Let us check that. So this 5 should be repeated only once. So 1 2 3 4 5, this should be repeated only once. So what we need to do for that, so a small change, I equal to 5 minus 1 in the lower part. Just make a change in the lower part, you will get that output. Now run your program. Now you can see the output 1 2 3 4 5, then 4 3 2 1. Now in the next video, in the next part we'll discuss. So what is this one? 9 7 6. First let us try to display this part. Already we displayed in the previous session. Then upper part and lower part. So what we want to display, 9 7 6 5 9 7 5 3 1, then 1 3 5 7 9. So let us display this part. This is also same as previous. So what we need to do here, so while display spaces no change, while displaying star, j less than or equal to I into 2 minus 1. Even in the lower part also, while displaying I into 2 minus 1. That's it. Everything will be same as previous. Now let me run this particular program. You will get the output 1 3 5 7 9. So upper part will display up to here, then lower part will display these stars. Now what is our next program? So my dear students, please watch previous video, then only you will understand this, because in the previous video I explained very clearly how to display this lower part. Okay, now next, now in order to display the next pattern, this pattern, let us check. So what we need to do, just interchange lower to upper and upper to lower. So this lower part, take it from here, remove this part and place it here. So if you interchange, now you will get the output. Remove this part, lower part. Right, I'll just remove only the lower part. Now let me run, we will get the output. There will be some change that we will make. What is that? I equal to 5, then here I equal to 2, you need to start. Save your program, compile and run the program. Yes, you got the output, which is just interchange lower to upper and upper to lower. Okay, so we got the output of this pattern. Okay, thank you for watching. So we'll see in the next video, we'll see on numbers, patterns with numbers. Okay, thank you.